how to open videos in video player by default on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on set gallery app. After click on gallery app, click on menu and click on settings. You will see make sure turn on open in video player. After turn on open in video player, go back and click on video. After click on video, click on play video. You will see video is play in video player. If you want to turn off, click on menu and click on settings and turn off open in video player. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can open videos in video players by default on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.